1 a.m. and the fire alarms are going off. This is the second time today. That's it over there. You can see the lights flashing. What the heck? I'm catching this on YouTube. Oh my gosh.
Repeat, do not use elevators.
KJ's out there wondering if we're gonna have to evacuate or something. We'll have to get dressed. We will see. I didn't want this to happen.
Attention. An emergency has been reported in this building.
What is going on?
Cease operations.
Everything okay?
Utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat.
So I'm working on some art in my guest bedroom, and the fire alarm has been going off and on for a while now. I think there's something wrong with the fire alarm. It could go off again any minute if I'm filming, but you saw the last clip. Oh my gosh, this is an eventful day. We're supposed to go to Pincher's today. It's like the seafood restaurant I like. But I don't know what's going to happen with this fire alarm. I really want it to stop. It's obviously not going off right now, but it was going off like a few seconds before I filmed. It could go off again any minute. And hopefully I catch it on camera.